I'm Stevie Pescarino. We're here at Tampa Honda today in our service department. Oftentimes when customers come into our service department, they ask a question, how do I know if I need new brakes? Anytime you bring your vehicle in for any service here, we'll do a measurement of your brakes, but if you're at home and you don't have the proper tools to do measurements, there's a couple tips that you can use to know if you need new brakes or not. One is sound. When you're in your vehicle and you're driving, if you press the brakes and you hear a screeching or a grinding noise, it may be time for new brakes. Another is vibrations. If you're driving the vehicle and you apply the brakes and you feel a vibration in your wheel, you could need new brakes. The third one is going to be the responsiveness of the brake pedal. If your brake pedal slams down to the floor or is hard to push down, you could need new brakes. Next time you're in our service department, check with our advisors and we'll do a measurement of your brakes, but in the meantime, use these tips.
Tampa Honda.